some very interesting and unique information about the use of ladders. Dear health and safety practitioners, you will surprised to hear that the use of ladders dates back to prehistoric times. The earliest known depiction of a ladder is Mesolithic rock painting found in the spider caves in Valencia, Spain, which is estimated to be over 10,000 years old. It shows two people using a ladder to reach a honeycomb in a tree. There are varieties of ladders. Ladders come in various types designed for specific purposes. Some examples include extension ladders, step ladders, platform ladders, and telescopic ladders. There are even rope ladders used in emergency situations and during the military operations. Do you know the tallest ladder ever recorded by Guinness World Records was 41.16 meters, about 135 feet tall. It was a wooden ladder constructed in Denmark in 2005. The ladder was used for practical purposes before being retired and recognized as the world's tallest. At the same time, ladder safety is crucial as misuse can lead to accidents and incidents. Every year, I'll say in every project, there are significant numbers of injuries and fatalities each year. It is essential to follow safety guidelines such as ensuring the ladder is on stable ground, maintaining 3 points of contact, and not exceeding the weight limit. How you will understand well. I will present a scenario. One is the correct or the safe use, and the second one is the wrong or the unsafe use of ladder that may cause imminent incident or potential injury. Let's have a look. A person is on the ladder and he is making 12 mistakes here. I'll count one by one. But before going in depth, I would like to memorize you that you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are visiting for the first time, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and colleagues. Dear health and safety practitioners, this is the incorrect use of a ladder. What are the mistakes? Number 1, step ladder too short. Number 2, hazard overhead. Number 3, overreaching up and sideways. Number 4, no grip on ladder. Number 5, sideways onto work. Number 6, foot on handrail. Number 7, wearing slippers. Number 8, loose tools on ladder. Number 9, slippery and damaged steps. Number 10, uneven soft ground. Number 11, damaged stiles. And number 12, non-slip rubber foot missing. You can see, if you are inspecting a ladder and if you are able to identify 12 hazards in a single ladder, you can understand your worth, your skills, and your scanning capacity. You can identify hazards. You are capable and you are able to prevent workplace accidents, and you have the right to maintain and upkeep safety standards to next level. But at the same time, let us look now what is the correct use of ladder. The other scenario where the worker is using ladder safely and working at height. How to identify the correct things. What are the best practices here? Number 1, steps at right height. Number 2, no need to overreach. Number 3, good grip on handrail. Number 4, working front on. Number 5, wearing good flat shoes. Number 6, clean undamaged steps. Number 7, firm level base. Number 8, undamaged styles. Number 9, rubber non-slip feet, all in position. And number 10, this ladder standard and its usage meets British or European standards. Dear health and safety practitioners, I hope this was a short and quick tutorial with good and bad, safe and unsafe scenario. I hope now you can identify ladder hazards and you can recommend preventive measures how to use a ladder safely. For now, that's all. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.